Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how you can change your password on in Facebook on iPhone. I want make quickly this video. Sorry for my bad English. Open your Facebook. You need to update your app first. Okay, remember that is so important. Update your app. Then touch in the three lines in the corner. Scroll and here in settings and privacy. Touch here and open your settings. Now in your account center, open here and then you can watch the first option. Okay, the second option is a password and security. Touch here and you can change your password. Okay, select your Facebook account and now you need put your actual current password. Okay, and your new password and retype the new password. Now if you forget your actual password, I have one video about this theme you can find in my profile, okay, in my channel, but it's so hard, okay, recover your password if you lost. But the most important thing is you can recover or put again if you make the process here. Forget your password, okay, while you not close your account, you can make this, okay, forgot your password. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.